Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. Here today to show you a kind of a special RZR. This is a 4-seat turbo XP. It's a 2016 and it has electronic power steering. And what's special about this year, those of you that know the Polarises in 2017 and up on the turbos, they raised the low gears. They took them away basically. So you can go like 40 miles an hour in low range. And that's great when you're in the sand dunes or running in the desert. But if you want to do some rock crawling, this is the one you want. The 16 has the lower gear set in addition to the turbo. So you got power in high gear for the sand dunes, and you've got the low gears for rock crawling, plus the wheelbase. The paint on this is really in excellent shape. It's got the tubular Polaris front bumper. It's got a winch. It's got the high clearance A-arms on both sides. The tires are fresh. They're Maxxis 29-inch, and you can put up to about a 30-inch on this, maybe a 32. Some of the decals on the doors are kind of peeling, and I'll show you that. It's got the harness style seat belts from Dragonfire. Tilt wheel. This one is Bluetooth, and it has the little screen with it was an option back then, with like a little navigation, and you can pair up with other riders and set routes. It's GPS enabled. Says oil change required. We got to figure out how to reset that, because we just bought one of those maintenance kits with the oil and the filter. The air filter was clean, but this is a really nice unit, and special in that it has the lower gears that the 16 model had. It also has the Fox internal bypass reservoir shocks that are fully adjustable. And they must have run this in the desert, because it's got the flag mounts. Those are kind of expensive. They're machined, but it doesn't have the flag. We don't have the flags. Another telltale sign of the desert is the chips on the trailing arms, and that's just from gravel. When you're running down roads at speed, slinging gravel on those trailing arms. So this hasn't been an East Texas mud rig. In some of the states like Arizona, Colorado, there's certain places you can actually run these on the street. The wheels are scratched, and that's from being in the rocks. And it's got a few little scrapes and flaws. You can see some brush marks here from going through the woods. Same thing on the roll bar. It's got a Polaris metal roof. It's actually aluminum. Nice LED light bar, but lots of good ads. And the wheelbase helps you on those steep hills. Plus, you get the plush ride of the 4-seater. And these are a good size. Can-Am makes a really nice 4-seater, but it's when you put it next to this, it's just huge. This is still trail capable, and that's what's good about it. But it's a belt drive. The seats are in very good shape. In fact, let's start it up. Still got all the warning stickers, and I just can't get over how nice this paint is. And it's probably because it hadn't been in the mud and been washed with a dirty rag. It's got 1,037 miles, and like I say, we just did an oil change. I'm not sure what the deal is on this mirror. It's a Polaris mirror. It must have a camera or something. I can't really get it to do anything. There's a wire that goes up. I don't know if it's a backup camera or what it is. Electric power steering is awesome, but it's been well maintained. It's been used, but it hasn't been hurt. There's that other place I was going to show you. Stock exhaust, stock tune. Yes, it does have a backup camera. There's the lens. I just don't know how to work it. Maybe a techie person will buy it and they can figure that out. But it's a sweet unit. And it's brought to you by Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. See if there's a camera on the front. I don't see one. So yeah, it looks like a backup camera. Kind of cool. But have a great day. I'm Bronco Bob wishing you happy trails. We can ship this anywhere in the USA or anywhere in the world. So if you're looking for that 16 RZR Turbo with the low gear set from the factory, well, you just found it. And this one still has a bunch of life left in it. In fact, we'll take it for a spin. While we're rolling the camera, we might as well. It's up to 178 degrees. But yeah, this is a keeper. And a lot of people didn't know about the gear changes until it was too late. And the problem is, you can smoke your belt if you're rock crawling with the taller gears and the bigger tires. Get one more look. Somebody's going to buy this and they're going to love it. It's a nice unit. But again, have a great day. I'm Bronco Bob wishing you happy trails.